Are you trying to download Among Us on PC or laptop, but you're not sure where to get it for free or it just won't install? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to download and play Among Us on PC step by step, and it works on both Windows and laptop users. This method works because we're using a safe Android emulator that lets you run Among Us on your computer just like on a phone, no complicated setup and no risky downloads. First, open a new tab on your browser and search for BlueStacks. BlueStacks is a free Android emulator that allows you to run Android games and apps on your PC or laptop. Click on the official BlueStacks website, download the installer, and start the installation process. Just follow the on-screen steps. It usually takes a few minutes. Before moving on, make sure BlueStacks opens without errors. This is where most people rush and miss something. Once BlueStacks is installed and opened, you'll see the Android home screen. Here, sign in with your Google Play Store account. This is required to download games, just like on a real Android phone. If you already have a Google account, simply log in. If you skip this step, you won't be able to install Among Us, so make sure you're signed in. Now, go to the Play Store search bar inside BlueStacks and type Among Us. Click on the official game, then hit Install. Wait for the download to finish. You'll see the progress bar, so don't close BlueStacks while it's installing. This next part is important. If the install looks stuck, just wait a bit longer. It's normal on first launch. Once the installation is complete, click Open, and that's it. You can now play Among Us on your PC or laptop for free using your keyboard or mouse. The game runs smoothly, and you can adjust controls inside BlueStacks if needed. If Among Us doesn't open the first time, simply restart BlueStacks. And make sure your PC virtualization is enabled. BlueStacks will usually tell you if it's not. So this is the easiest way to download Among Us on PC, play Among Us on laptop, and run it safely without viruses or sketchy files. This method works on Windows and most laptops using BlueStacks. To quickly recap, download BlueStacks, sign in to the Play Store, install Among Us, and launch the game. If it still doesn't work, try updating BlueStacks or restarting your computer. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.